Hi, I'm Lisa. I appreciate you taking the time to join me here on my YouTube channel or website. No matter where you're watching, welcome. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm sharing cardstock organization with you. A little backstory, my craft room is pretty small. It's 8 feet wide by about 13 feet long, and I have to be very meticulous with what I keep and how I keep it. Now, as you can see in the photos here, I was using the job ticket holders to store and organize my cardstock. It was not working very well for me. The back of that Kylex unit is open, and oftentimes I would have cardstock sliding out of the back of the pockets and down behind the unit. But I stuck with those for years until last year, and I purchased these poly zip vinyl envelopes to hold some project supplies that was being mailed out for a virtual class I was teaching with Whimsy Stamps. And what I discovered was these envelopes are great for several things. I'll get more into that at the end of the video, but first let's talk about the process of switching over from the job ticket holders to the envelopes and a few of the things that I love about these envelopes. I love the envelopes because they open from the top. The zipper is a huge plus. It helps keep dust out, plus other things that float around the craft room. It also, if I drop these, the paper's not flying across the floor. Now, the price of the vinyl envelopes is much cheaper. A pack of 10 job ticket holders runs $9.31 on Amazon at the time of this video, and that's going to break down to 93 cents per holder. The vinyl envelopes come 36 for $15.99, and that breaks down to 44 cents per envelope. The fact that they're color coded, that's just gravy, y'all. So on the left, I have my red cardstock there, still in the job ticket holder. And on the right, I have red cardstock swatches. I know a lot of us have swatched our cardstock along with our inks. Now, one of the things that I really love about these vinyl envelopes, they have this pocket on the front here. And it's meant for like a business card, but I'm going to use it to slide the die cut swatch into. Now, maybe I'll actually use those swatches instead of them just sitting on a binder, in a binder on the shelf. So I'm going to take those swatches, slide them into the pocket, and then I'll move all that cardstock into the envelopes, and then we'll be done with that. Now, to do all of my cardstock took about 30 minutes total. It didn't take long at all. Once I was finished, I was pleasantly surprised at how much room I had. These seem to take up less room for some reason. It's weird. I'll have a photo I'm going to show you at the end of the video. But first, let's talk about some of the other ways that you can use these envelopes. So I use them for scrap pieces. So here I don't store Nina cardstock with my regular cardstock because I mostly use it for card bases. And occasionally I'll use it for die cut words or stuff like that. But whatever I have when I've cut some down, I just store it in this envelope. And when I want to use it for die cut pieces, I just grab that envelope and pull some out and use that. Now, I also use it for all of my specialty cardstock. So this cardstock here usually comes in kits. You get 1 or 2 sheets. So I'll just keep it in this envelope, and then I just grab that when I want like some odd glitter paper or foiled paper or something like that. I also keep mirror cardstock in this, and then you can see in the back I just have the label for the cardstock placed in the back of the envelope, and then I know what it is. I have some glitter cardstock here and thickers. Now, I love these thickers for cards. I wasn't sure that I was going to love them. I got them in a grab box, and I was like, maybe, maybe not. But I actually ended up loving them, and they hold great in these envelopes. Masking paper, vellum. So here I have my regular vellum, and then I have one that is for colored vellum. So those are some of the great ways you can use it to store paper, but I also use it to store projects in. So anything that I'm going to be have coming up that I'm working on, I just slide into one of these and sit in the top of my cart right next to my desk, and I have it available for me. So when I'm ready to work, I just grab it. So here you can see the after shots. It's amazing how much I took all of that paper and condensed it down to, instead of 2.5 sections in my unit, I'm just down to 2 sections now. That's a great option for someone who may be looking for some cardstock organization. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And as always, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content. And until next time, take care.